Hi kids, this is Miss Stacy. Today I set up a little writing and art center at my table. I'm going to make a card for Mother's Day. First, let's fold a piece of paper into a card. I'm going to take this side and this side in my hands, bring them together into one hand, grab over here. Then I'm going to use this hand to line up my edges. It can be hard to do. It's okay if it's crooked. I'm going to keep mine. That's pretty close. It's not perfect. Are you following along at home? Did you fold a paper? My folded paper looks like this now. And look, it can open like a book. It's a card. Now I'm going to practice writing some letters. So I'm going to set my card aside and get a practice piece of paper. The letters we're going to write is the letters in the word mom. Mom is spelled M-O-M. M. O. M. Let's try it again. M's have points down at the bottom and round parts on the top. And O is a circle. All right. M. O. M. Mom, it says on the front. Now let's do it on the card. Nice and big, but not too big. If I make my M as big as the whole front of the card, with my first letter M, I'm not going to have room for the other letters. So I'm going to make it nice and big, but not too big. Close to this edge. M. And then in the middle, O. And then at this end, another M. M. Mom. Oh, look at this. It's a card. And it says Mom on the front. It's already a Mother's Day card. But in my cards, I like to have something on the inside. I know a lot of you love to draw a heart. Let's draw a heart. First, we'll practice. Card back there. Practice paper here. Now, remember how our M's have these curvy parts up on top? A heart has curvy parts up on top. Let's make an M and see if we can make it into a heart. Here's the M. A heart has a pointy bottom. I'm going to go back to the beginning of my M and draw down and then draw back up for a pointy bottom. So I made an M into a heart. M, beginning of my M, down into a point, up to the other side to make another heart. Let's do it. Mom, it says. If we're going to make a heart on the inside, how about really big? Then we can color it in later. Make our heart take up this whole space. We're going to leave that space out for now. This whole space of heart. Ready? Starting with our M. a big M. How do I make an M into a heart again? Do you remember we made a pointy bottom? So we go back to the beginning of the M, draw down. Oh man, I gotta hold it with my other hand. Draw down into a point and back up to the other side, and my M turned into a heart. Did you do it? Did you turn your M into a heart? I'm having fun. All right. At school, I love the crayons, but I don't have crayons here at my house. I have a lot of colored pencils. I have some markers. Excuse me. I think so many of my friends, you kids, love markers. So let's do a marker. I hope none of them are dried out. Red is a good color for a heart. I'm going to trace over my heart with red. Oh, it's not dried out. It looks good. I traced my M. I traced my point. Oh, it looks good. You kids might want to color in your entire heart with markers. If you color too much marker in one place, it makes a hole. Oh, let's get out our practice paper and see if it really does make a hole, like I said, if I color too much. Stuff. And then, uh-oh, a hole. That's what happens if you color too long in one spot. Sometimes when that happens to my friends at school, they get upset about it. It's okay to feel how you feel. But next time, instead of coloring over and over in one spot to make a hole, just color until you've colored your thing in and then be done. So I'm going to color in this heart. Oh man, my marker is drying out a little bit, probably because I used up all of its juice over here on the heart where I made a hole. So I colored this heart and it didn't make a hole. A heart as big as the one on the card, I think that's too big for this little marker to handle. It might get dried out like it did on my second heart over there. I'm gonna choose beautiful orange colored pencil. It's gonna take a while for me to color it in, so watch me do it all sped up. All right, here's my heart all colored in. Let's turn to the front of the card again. Mom. Maybe I'll trace the word mom in a beautiful color. I already did red, so let's choose blue. Blue marker. Trace. M-O-M. There. Mom. A heart for love. That's a pretty good Mother's Day card. Now, the last thing you can do on your card is to write your name. I know a lot of you know how to write your name. You can write your name anywhere you have space. I'm going to write my name over here. My name has an S, and it goes like this. Don't write this on your card though, because that says Stacy. So write your own name so your mom knows it's from you. right. Hope you enjoyed the Writing Center and the Art Center with Miss Stacy today. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.